January 2023 trade alerts. You can visit beststockstrategy.com/memberships and enroll in the 7-day trial. It's only $19 for the options trading trade alerts that are sent via WhatsApp. That's beststockstrategy.com/memberships. January 3rd, decent opening. We rolled Amazon from 80 to 76, and we picked up $130 credit for every contract. S&P down around 15, VIX up over 5.5%. We rolled Amazon while reducing the strike by 5%. January 4th, new opening trade on Microsoft. Picked up about 20% of the width of the strikes. Rolled forward, UNH. Picked up $168 per contract. The original was there. So picked up $202 for the original and $168 for the roll. S&P up around 29. VIX and VVIX down around 4%. A lot of intraday volatility. January 5th, S&P is down around 35. VIX isn't up much. From looking at vol, it seems that the market is more likely to rally than to sell off further. S&P down 43, VIX up 2%. The 6th, solid opening. S&P up 87, VIX down around 6%. Today was extremely profitable. Our BX and DG puts are set to expire worthless next week. As stated, I think 2023 will be a decent year for the market, so we'll see how things go. The 9th, bought back Blackstone, bought back Dollar General, closing trades. Both trades closed for nice profits. We sold RTX, new opening trade, B+ grade, no spread leg. S&P down 3, VIX up 4% and VVIX up 4.6%. That's actually a large increase in volatility given that the S&P was only down $3. The 10th, market is around even. Let's see how it's trading later on today. We opened up a new put and a new trade in waste management, B+ grade. Then I give the spread leg. So I'm always going to, if I sell naked, I'll always give the spread leg. S&P up 27, VIX down 6%, VVIX down 1.6%. The 11th, strong move up continues. Volatility is up. The market may be entering overbought territory. Short term, as mentioned, I think 2023 will be solid. New opening trade in Dollar General. We sold the 210 and we bought the 200. S&P up 50, VIX up 2.5%, VVIX up 3.8%. Market seems overbought. Volatility is also indicating that, but let's see what happens tomorrow. So the 12th, solid opening with a large decrease in volatility. VIX is down over 6.5%. S&P up around 13, VIX down almost 11%, and VVIX down slightly. I believe that this is the lowest the VIX has been in around a year. The market seems overbought, but after today, volatility is severely contracted, so I wouldn't be surprised if the uptrend continues. Very good day for us. The 13th, solid opening. S&P was down around 30, but now it's close to even. VIX is down another 3%. S&P up 16. VIX continues to collapse, down 2.5%. VVIX up around 2.5%. So there's a divergence in volatility. Today had very strong price action as the S&P closed over 50 points off its lows. While I think the market is overbought, I also think that the bull market has returned. Our existing positions are doing very well. Our decision to acquire shares in late 2022 has proven profitable as well. Markets closed on Monday, so we'll resume activity on Tuesday. So the 17th, solid opening with Waste Management at 155. Our 150 is profitable and no longer in danger. Volatility is up over 2%. Let's see how the market trades later today. All our existing positions are doing well. S&P down 8, VIX down slightly, VVIX up 3%. The divergence in volatility is something to take note of. Amazon down 2%, Nvidia up almost 5%, Tesla up 7%. So here are a few possible suggested trades. Waste Management, that would have turned out to be fine. Apple also would have turned out to be fine. Google, that also would have turned out to be fine as well. And they're all B+ grades, and all three of them would have been profitable. January 18th, 2023, S&P is down 26, VIX up 3%, and VVIX up slightly. This is healthy because the market is overbought. It was up earlier in the day as well. Hopefully there is an orderly pullback so that we can collect significant premium. Also, if you're interested in any of those trades from yesterday, you can get good entries. S&P down 62, VIX up 5%, VVIX up 2.3%, JP Morgan down 3%, RTX down over 2.7%. Today was a healthy pullback. Volatility didn't explode higher. There was no panic. We need days like today to bring order to the market. In January and February of 2020, the market was basically going up every day, then it crashed. Crypto market was euphoric, then crashed. Days like today are very healthy. The 19th, S&P down around 24, VIX is up over 4%, which is a lot for a 20-point move. Let's monitor the market and see how it's trading later today. I was considering rolling Waste Management, but I'll wait to see where it's trading later today. I decided to roll it, so I closed out the February 3rd, and then I rolled it down by $5 to the middle of March 2023, and I picked up a credit of $18. Was that necessary? No. In fact, that trade would have expired worthless, but it is what it is. It's better to be safe than sorry. I decided to roll it. The market looks weak, picked up a credit and reduced risk. So this is very interesting. The market is still down, but volatility has significantly declined from where it was previously. It was up 6% earlier today. Now it's only up 2.5%. This leads me to believe that the market will recover. Now watch the market crash. But seriously, watching volatility is like watching human behavior regarding expectations. So it gives solid insight into overall sentiment, although obviously it's not always accurate. So S&P down 30, VIX up 0.9, and VVIX down slightly. The market almost climbed back to even, but then it was weak heading into the close. Volatility contracted significantly from earlier in the day. We rolled Waste Management. My gut feeling is that the pullback from today and yesterday will not lead to anything major, although today's close is a little concerning, and that's exactly what happened. Very solid and stable opening. We've done a good job recently of reading the market. Let's see how it's trading later in the day. S&P up around 73, VIX down over 3%, VVIX down almost 5%. I would have liked to see a greater decrease in volatility due to the large move up. Even so, volatility still contracted, just not the 6% that I would have expected. Amazon up almost 4%, Google up almost 6%, Blackstone up 5.5%, Nvidia up over 6%. We've done a great job of reading the market. None of our existing trades are currently being challenged. Our goal is to achieve strong growth while also minimizing portfolio volatility. My gut feeling is that the market will continue to increase. However, let's see how the market opens on Monday. The 23rd, very solid opening, volatility up slightly. The market looks strong. S&P closed up 47, VIX relatively unchanged, and VVIX down 3.3%. Solid day. I would have liked to see volatility contract more. Also, it seemed that the market was showing a little bit of weakness during the afternoon. It recovered heading into the close and finished strong. We'll be more aggressive as it seems that the market is relatively stable. The 24th, solid opening. Market seems a little overbought. Orderly pullbacks without large spikes in volatility are healthy for the market. New opening trade, B plus grade. You can sell the 75 if you like to collect more premium. You can also buy the 60 if you like to turn it into a spread for capital efficiency purposes. S&P down 3, VIX down 3%, and VVIX up 1.3%. That's a large decrease in VIX for a small move in the market, plus having a divergence in volatility, with VVIX increasing. In any case, the market seems stable. The 25th, new opening trade on Qs, picked up over $500, about $530. Then I give the spread leg. You can sell the 268 and buy the 240. Market is rebounding. Microsoft is $10 off its lows. The trade from yesterday is already showing a 20% profit. You're welcome to close it out for a quick winner if you'd like. S&P down 0.7, VIX down 0.6%, and VVIX up 1.7, Google down 2.5%. Today was a large turnaround day. I believe the market closed around $65 or 1.5% off its lows. We opened a new position today, which is already showing a 40% profit. January 26th, solid opening. The trade from yesterday is showing a 70% profit. You're welcome to close it out. S&P up 44, VIX down 1.8%, VVIX up 1%. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft all up over 2%. Blackstone up 5.5%. Tesla up almost 11%. Our trade from yesterday is showing around an 80% gain. The long shares from last year are also doing very well. I think that the market is slightly overbought, but not so much that it will likely crash. I feel this way by looking at how VIX and volatility, VIX and VVIX are behaving. That's a trade from a few days ago, from yesterday rather. The 27th, solid opening, not much volatility. Remember that we want pullbacks. Pullbacks are healthy and keep the market from falling into a boom and bust cycle. New opening trade on Microsoft, picked up $740. Then I give the spread leg. You don't need to sell 10 contracts. You can trade less. S&P up 10, VIX down around 1%, and VVIX up 2%. Okay, Monday, decent opening. Volatility is up significantly. I'll monitor the market and check back later today. Our QQQ position will expire this week. I was too early on the Microsoft trade from Friday. The market is having a healthy pullback, although VIX is spiking a bit. Let's see how the market closes. S&P down around 53, VIX up 7.7%, and VVIX up 3.4%. It's a large pop in volatility. Last week on Tuesday, solid opening. Volatility is up though. New opening trade on Dollar General. As a spread, I'd sell the 70 and buy the 155. New opening trade on SPX. As a spread, I'd sell the 36.25 and buy the 35.50. You can also use SPY instead of SPX if you like. I'm trying to close this out. It's filling one by one. Once all 5 close, then it'll close for a $500 profit. Original is above. Sold for $530, bought back for $25 once they all fill. The Qs closed out. All 5 closed. S&P up around 59. VIX down 2.7%. VVIX down 2.6%. Wednesday, new opening trade on Waste Management. Picked up $155 per contract. As a spread, I'd sell the 125 and buy the 110. Waste Management is up now. The market was all over the place, but now it seems strongly up. I was hoping that the market would fall, and I saw that it was down 40. This would have allowed us to deploy additional capital. However, this wasn't meant to be, and the current move up helps our existing position. S&P up 43, VIX down 8%, VVIX down 3.2%. That's a large decrease in volatility. VIX is trading at its lowest level since 2021. It seems like the market is going up too fast, too soon. I prefer more of an orderly sideways market. Thursday, new opening trade in Blackstone. New opening trade in Berkshire Hathaway. 2 new opening trades, B plus grades. as a spread, I'd buy the 55 and sell the 70. For Berkshire, I'd buy the 210 and sell the 250. S&P up 60, VIX up almost 5%, and VVIX up 4.6%. The market definitely seems overextended to the upside. It's very rare to see the S&P up 1.5% and have volatility significantly increase. The chances are high of a short-term pullback. Another great day for us. Friday, new opening trade in the Qs. B grade as a spread, I'd sell the 287 and buy the 275. That probably wasn't the best trade, to be honest, the Qs. I figure worst case I can just roll that from 287 all the way down to like 275, potentially lower than that. AMT, new opening trade B plus grade as a spread. I'd sell the 165 and buy the 140. Picked up a decent amount of premium for that, close around $900. That's a lot. S&P down 43, VIX down 2%, VVIX down 1.7%, Amazon down over 8%. We opened 2 trades today. Today's action was fine. The market was getting ahead of itself, plus volatility contracted. I view today as a healthy and necessary pullback to balance out the one-way action we've seen recently. So that's about it for January 2023. Visit beststockstrategy.com/memberships and enroll for the 7-day trial. It's only $19, and you can help yourself improve your trading.